When your uPerform website does not have single sign-on configured, or if you would like to add a user who is not part of your organization's user directory, a system administrator has the option to create a new user. The new user will receive an email to set up a uPerform password when their account is created. This login method is known as form-based authentication. To create a new user in the Management Center, click the cog icon in the upper right-hand corner. This will take you to the uPerform administration settings. In the Users menu, click Add Users on the right-hand side. When adding a new user for form-based authentication, the fields in the Personal Information section are required. The other informational sections and fields are optional. Enter a username for the user. This will be their login ID. Enter an email address for the user. While not required, values for first and last name are recommended for user accounts created using the Add User form-based authentication method. Enter the user's first or given name. Enter the user's last or surname. Click the Preferred Language drop-down menu. Select a language from the list. The list can be updated by a system administrator in the locale's administration settings. Click the Time Zone drop-down menu. Select the appropriate region or time zone for the user from the list. Adding a system and/or project role during account creation is optional. If you do not add roles during account creation, you can add roles after the account is created. Click the arrow icon to expand the system or project roles. Select the project. Select a project role. Repeat for any additional project or system roles the user may need. Make sure to click OK before clicking Save. Otherwise the role updates will not be saved. Confirm the user's roles. If they are not correct, click Add Role again to adjust. The Send Invitation on Save option is selected by default. This option sends an email notification to the user when their account is created, and asks them to set up a uPerform password. If you do not want the user to receive an email notification, deselect this option. Click Save and Add, if you have another user to add. The system will save the new user and reset the form to add another user. If you do not have any more users to add, click Save to create the account and notify the user via email to activate their uPerform account. After clicking Save, the user will appear alphabetically in the users list. This list will allow you to quickly view the user's group memberships and role assignments. You can also use the filter text field to search for the user.